What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking meal in the Craftsman drill. And as you can see, this thing will get used again in this here again, because I know since I'm going to be using it again, because you know how you expected this thing, you see, because it's still got 2 bars left in the battery, which I know since the thing's probably going to get used at some point this year again, till it dies on. You can see, you see this is the model CMCD70, and what I do like about this machine exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing is going to get used almost like every single time there's a little bit, because you see how much it's better this thing exactly, which I do like this thing. It does still work, as you can see, but I know since the fact this thing is going to get used this year again, you can see, because they did get used since the whole summer, you can see, when I started using it, you can see, you know how much it's better this thing, but this thing get used sometimes a little bit. I mean, it's got a 1.5, but this is a CMCB20111, which how much I expected to see, like, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion, but you see how much it's better to see, like, you see. But it will get used again this year for 2025 exactly, which I know since how much I expected to see, exactly, because we have to say that it does click, you see, whether you put it on a different setting, where you just turn this a little bit, because you see how much expected to see, exactly, which is not that bad in my opinion. But you see how much expected to see, exactly, which just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So this thing will get used again this year for 2025 exactly, because you didn't know how I expected to see, exactly, as you see, because it's when I expected to see, exactly, and definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, because you see how much I expected this machine exactly. But this is a pretty nice looking machine, my opinion. So this thing will get used again this year again, and it's a very nice looking machine, my opinion. This thing will get used again this year.